Tire maintenance. What's that? Proper care of your tires leads to safe driving and long tire life. Proper tire inflation gives you the most life out of your tires. Tires underinflated will put undue stress on the sidewall, wear the inner and outer edges of your tires, and increase your risk of a blowout or tread separation. Tire overinflation will cause the center of the tire to wear out prematurely. Your overall fuel consumption seems to be too high. Perhaps your tire pressure is too low. The resistance between a tire and the road makes the engine work harder, which in turn means the use of more fuel. Keeping tires aired up means saving money in more ways than one. There is also another issue in tire maintenance, and that is that the tire runs evenly as it goes down the road. That's called tire balance. It's done when the tire is put on first new and should be checked occasionally, maybe once a year, as the tires are rotated. To get the longest life out of your tire, you should have your tire air pressure checked regularly, tires rotated regularly, and occasionally have the tires balanced. To set up an appointment, either come by or give us a call, 480-807-0100. Thank you and have a great day.